For today's assignment, what I need you to do is go up into Files of the Teams area. Once you get to Files, click on Class Materials. When you find Class Materials, you're going to locate the folder that says Mathis Excel Assignments and click that open. And now what you're doing is you're looking for something that says Mathis Fall Picture Pixels Color and Sizing, but don't click on this. Move on over here to the three dots, and the three dots come up with more options. Click more options. Go down to download, and then it's going to show you that it's downloading, but it wants to know where you want to download it to. So click your desktop, find your DIT hold, and you're going to need to change this to your last name. So let's say that my last name is Sullivan. I'm going to put Sullivan. And then I'm going to come over here and save. And if you look over here, it downloaded. Now you can open it. And while it's opening, you're going to find out that you probably have this line right here. As long as you have this line, you can't really do too much with it. It won't allow you because it's locked. You have to enable the editing, so click that. And now you can kind of go around and see what you're doing. Take a look at this to see what the must-haves are, and wait for me on further directions. Thanks.